up you guys, my name is Vivian from ThePaperLetterBlog and today we're opening the new Papergang box. So this is the Papergang box for May. I did not actually get the Papergang box for April, simply because A, we were moving house and I didn't really feel like having even more stuff to unpack, and B, I did not really like the preview they gave on the Papergang website. Each month you get a little bit of a preview, you can see a bit of the theme. I guess they give like a one sentence theme. I don't really know, but I didn't really like what I saw, so I decided to cancel my subscription for that month. I'm just gonna try a new tea. I think I'm gonna try this one today. This is green mint tea. And I have my coffee because I need some coffee today. So okay, the Papergang box came in yesterday, but I had to work. I work as a waitress, so I couldn't film. And now I'm going to finally open it. It's still closed, like always. Okay, before I get into the actual opening, there's a couple of things I always want to say, and that is that A, this video is not sponsored in any way. Up until recently, the Papergang, as far as I know, didn't even know that I do these videos. The only thing I get kind of rewarded is if I get 2 people to sign up using my referral link, which I will link in the description box as always. If I get 2 of you guys to sign up using my link, I get 1 month for free. I only have to pay for shipping. So if you're thinking of getting the Papergang box, I would be really grateful if you would use my link for that. But I said up until recently that I didn't know that I did these videos because last month, the month that I didn't get the Papergang box, I was actually contacted by Oh Dear, which is the company that does these boxes. And they said that to kind of thank me for doing these videos, they wanted to send me a little package, which is really cool. I'll quickly show you what they sent me. They sent me chocolate, which is incredible. They sent me a really cool postcard, and they sent me this pin and this gorgeous daily planner. These are actually, as you can see, in the same theme as the April pack, which was the same theme as the March pack, which was my favorite theme so far. So they sent me this gorgeous pin and a daily planner. Sadly, I don't use a daily planner, but this is definitely the prettiest notebook I have ever owned. So yeah, on the left you have the date, a timetable and a to-do list. Urgent, not urgent, all stuff like that. And then on the right you have space for notes and doodles. Like I said, I don't actually use day planners, but I feel like I have to just so that I can use this gorgeous planner. So they sent me that as a thank you, which I think is really cool. Okay, but it's time to open this month's box. I don't really know a lot about the theme. I only know that what I saw on the website is that it's kind of minimalistic, which I like. I like minimalistic patterns, but not boring. So minimalistic, not boring. I think very colorful, also judging by this little preview. And other than that, I don't actually remember what it was about, but I know I liked it. Okay, the cutouts on the back, we have a bookmark. I'll just wait here for you then, and you're coming back, right? 2 bookmarks you can cut out. They're kind of cute, not that special, but I guess they're alright. I just need something to open this. I really like doing these Papergang unboxings, but for some reason they always get a lot of dislikes. And I always wonder why. What am I doing wrong? Maybe I talk too much. Because I know that a lot of people who don't actually watch my videos also do watch my Papergang videos. And then they're probably not used to my chatting a lot. But hey, what can you do? Okay, so we've got a little box. I did see a couple spoilers on Instagram. I will not bother you with them. I think I saw like a to-do list as well. Okay, first of all, I always love how they wrap it. We have this cute little crepe paper, like tissue paper. It's pink. I'm definitely going to keep that and reuse it for some happy meal. Oh, what is this? It feels like fabric. Oh my god. Oh, okay, wait. I'm gonna flip it upside down so we can go at it one item at a time. I hope this is a tote bag. If this is a tote bag, I'm so... Oh, yes, it's a tote bag! Oh my god, it says, don't worry, no one else knows what they're doing either. That is so cool. I actually really like that. I did not see that as a spoiler yet. So we've got a tote bag. Let me see. It's just like a flat tote bag, so not one of those expanding buttons, but I guess that's alright for like a work bag or something. Feels really nice. Smells a little bit weird, but I guess that's just normal with new tote bags. I am actually obsessed with using these for like library books or as a mail bag to put my outgoing mail in. I really like this. This color also suits me well. This is actually really cool. I really like that they're expanding into new areas because you get a lot of notebooks, a lot of notepads, and now there's something completely new in here. I don't think they've done one of these before. And then, oh yes, this is what I saw the preview from. This is actually not my style. I mean, the style is okay, but it's again a daily planner, which I just don't use. So I'm not going to say that this is a bad item. It's definitely not. It's really a great item, but for me, I just don't get any use out of it. So I'll probably just send pages like little gifts in my mail and my PO box replies. Let's crack on and get stuff done. You can put the date up top, stuff to do today, and then you have a timetable, which is kind of, it would be really nice if you were like a student or something like that. And then we have, oh nice, the little monthly overview card. It's really plain, so you can put the month here and the days of the week. So I guess I'll be using that in my travel journal. It's really plain, but like I said, it's kind of simplistic, but I don't hate it. I love the color, and this would be great for using in planners or even just to hang above your desk so that you can see which day is which date. Oh, and then we have, this is a little birthday card, I guess. It says, I will always think of you as someone older. Oh, okay, I think this month's designer is called Twin Pines. It says here, I will read the booklet afterwards. That's really cool. I kind of like this. It's kind of simple again, but this will be great for birthday cards. We have another little card. Oh, this I actually really like. It says, happy birthday, you silly sausage. And while it's so simple, I already know which friend I'm going to send this to. I quite like that. So like I said, this is kind of what I expected. It's really simple, but not boring, at least not in my opinion. But I'm always excited to hear what you guys think. Do you like this or don't you like it? Do you think it's simple or maybe too simple? And which is your favorite item so far? Last item of this month is a little, I think it's a patch. Yeah, you can iron this onto clothing or I guess the new bag we just got. It's a purple patch and it says Forever Awkward. That is quite cute. I actually never use patches, but that's on me. I could totally see how you could put this onto your new bag and it will look kind of cute. And it says Forever Awkward. I guess that also suits me quite well. But that's really cute. We've got a bag, a notepad, 2 birthday cards, and a patch, which I don't hate. So I know some of you are just here to see the content of this box, but I also always give my opinion, whether you like it or not. And this month is not my favorite month, but that is okay as well. I mean, it's quite a nice bag. It's quite a nice pack in general. So I think, yeah, I think I'm probably not the only one who is quite happy with this month's variety. I'll read the prices to you. It is in pounds, recommended retail price. I use euros, so I have no idea what this means. The tote bag. Starting with the tote bag, it's actually £4.95, so that's almost £15. It seems quite expensive. The woven patch is £5.95. A5 notepad is £5.95 as well, and then the 2 birthday cards come as a set for £5. It says it's all designed by Catherine Ings. Yeah, I guess here it says as well Twin Pines. That's her brand. There's just a little bit of information about her brand, Twin Pines. Oh, oh my god, there's like, they have a variety. You could get these 2 cards, or you could get a pink one, and I would have really loved that one as well. The pink one is also really cute. It says, "Happy birthday, you lovely looking specimen." I actually think I would have liked that one better than the blue one, but these 2 are also really cute. So I guess there's different cards in different boxes. But I wonder if there's also different patches or different tote bags. I'm gonna check Instagram after this to see if there's like different items in different boxes. This is also what I mentioned in the beginning. If I want a free Papergang box, I need 2 of you to sign up using my referral link. Ooh. Okay, so that is it for this month's Papergang box. Overall, I'm quite happy. My favorite item is definitely the tote bag. That is so me. I'm going to use this probably all the time. And my least favorite item is the notepad, just because I won't use it at all, but it will make a nice gift in mail. Okay, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in a comment down below which is your favorite item. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you want me to do more Papergang unboxing videos. I also have the Pip Sticks sticker subscription still to do this month. I hope it's coming in Tuesday, I don't know yet, but keep an eye out for that as well if you want to see more stationery unboxing, and subscribe to my channel if you also want to see my Happy Meal videos. That's all that's all I have to say. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you again very, very soon. Okay, bye bye.